effectively. User roles and permissions. The system supports role-based access control, allowing administrators to define what each staff member can see and do within the system. After a role is assigned to a staff member, the system automatically adjusts the interface and permissions when that user logs in. Each staff member only sees the dashboards, pages, and tools that are relevant to their role. For example, a laboratory technician may only see the laboratory management page, while a receptionist may access appointment scheduling and patient registration, and a doctor may access patient records, prescriptions, and clinical notes. Permissions can also control what actions users are allowed to perform, such as creating records, editing information, approving items, or viewing reports. This ensures sensitive information remains secure while staff members can work efficiently within their assigned responsibilities.